Okay, so if you have two lines that cut this area in exactly thirds, and we're talking about something like this, like just a guess. Okay, something like that, right?
It's actually really close.
Yeah. So we need to find the slope of these two lines. Okay. So we might have to adjust our answers a bit, because this, I'm not sure if it should be like this or like here. It could be here, or it could be here, right? But I think the algebra will tell us if I did it wrong. Okay, so let's set that to be, so let's set it's on that line here, and let's set this one to be approximately on this line. Okay, so what is the coordinate of that one then? It's, let's label it A and 6, right? A and 6. What about this one? B and 2, right? Okay, so let's call this line 1, line 2. So far what's the equation of line 1? 6 over A, rise over 1, x. Okay. What about line 2? 2 over B, x, right? All right. Okay, now we need to find, they have equal areas. You got to use that fact. So what is the area of, let me call this A. This is not a triangle in here, right? But I can, any shape, you can cut up into smaller triangles. So here's what I'm going to do. Is that okay? Triangle, triangle, triangle. I'm going to label this one B1, B2, and this small tiny one B3. Okay, and the last, this was a trapezoid. So let's just say this is C and it's a trapezoid. We can use a trapezoid formula. Or if you want, you can also cut that in half, making the two triangles too, like here. If you want, you can do this. You cut it right there. It's up to you. Okay, so let's write that down. I know that A must equal to B1, B2, B3. Okay, I also know that A has to equal to C. So what's A? 6 times by, right? 6 times by, what is this? A, right? 6 times by A divided by 2. So 6A divided by 3A. What's B1?
6.
Yeah, so this length right here, this is 6 minus A. Okay, 6 all the way to 6 minus A. So that's the base. 6 minus A, base times by the height, which is 6 divided by 2. That's B1. What about B2? This is the base, right? What's that height? What's that base length? We're at 2 to 6, so it's 4. The height is this way. 6 divided by 2. Okay, good. What about B2? What's this tiny length right here? That tiny length. This is 6. So no, so right there up to there is B, okay? B, what's this length right there? From there to the edge here. 6. So it's B minus 6. B minus 6. Okay, B minus 6 times by, this is the height. 2 divided by 2. Okay. So from here we get 3A. C was equal to, as Jeff said, 12 minus B. So 12 minus B plus 12. Divide by 2, and the height is 2, right? So that's it. That's another condition. So let's simplify this. It's 3A is equal to, this is what? 18 minus 3A. If you combine these two, you get 6 plus B, right? That cancels out. 3A, 24 minus B, right? So basically we have two equations, both with A and B. This is an elimination substitution problem. Okay, so let's clean this up further. You get 6a is equal to, what is that? 24 plus b. Call that equation 1. 3a is equal to 24 minus b. Let's just leave that as it is. So let's insert 2 into 1. The 6a is 2 times 3a. So I can replace that with this. Jimin, thank you. So Jimin just mentioned, why are we doing this a difficult way? You're right.
I just exercise more.
Yeah. No, so we could find the area by just adding up 2 rectangles, right? So I'm already doing it this way, so I'm gonna finish it off this way. You could just add it up and then equal to make 3a. You can find a right away, and then you can from here you can find b right away. Okay, so that's excellent. But I'm just gonna finish this off because right now if I do that it takes longer, right? So so this is not the best solution. So okay, so what do we get here? We get 3b is equal to 24. So what's b? 8. Okay, b is 8 from here. 24 minus 8. So a is, what's that? That's 18 over 3, so it's 6. All right. Sorry, my bad. 16. That's not as nice. That's what I want it to be nice, so that's why I think I did what I did. Okay, so these are the slopes now. The slopes are slope 1 is 6 over a, and slope 2 is 2 over b. So a was 16 over 3. So 16 over 3, so 3 over 16. So 3 times 3 over 8, 9 over 8. And b was 8. So 1 over 4. So you gotta add these two up, right? This is what we're looking for. This is 9 plus 2 over 8. 11 over 8. All right.